Today I went for a ride to test out my new camera mount and also my clear windscreen, which was a suggestion from Sub McKay, so thanks for that, mate. It was good fun, had a bit of drama, so check it out. Oh shit, alright, I'm coming. Got it? You good? Good job. Good job. Proud of you. Good. Good job.
Thanks.
Good job picking it up. You didn't stress too much.
Just ready to turn it in second gear.
Nah, that'll do it. That'll learn ya.
I was in second gear.
Uh,
I think it blew the engine.
nah, all good. Didn't flood, nothing. Alright, cool.